Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize your character in the finals. And to do this we'll need to click on edit button under our character, then we can move to the style, and inside you'll be able to change all of the different options like body type, face, hair, eyes, headwear, facewear, and etc. And keep in mind that most of them you will need to buy for this currency, or you can unlock them by playing the game. Actually some of them, not everything. But next thing we have is emotes, and here you'll be able to equip emotes to emote wheel or equip them as your intro. So that means when the game begins you can see it in the intro. And there's also sprays that you can spray in to any objects or walls in the game, and you can also equip them on the wheel. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.